jump. After three, you're gonna jump there. Okay. Ready? No. Okay, when you're ready, let me know. Hey, don't think about it, okay? No rocks. We only have one rock and it's over there. And you jump in there. Okay. So after three, you just jump. If you think you will never do it, so don't think. Alright. Ready?